Next up, Ripper for lab rat. In this we need to find and search a house with large amounts of medical waste. You'll find this house all the way on the far east side of the map by Tiger Bay, zooming in down the south end, this little house over here, off from the rest of the town. In here, you'll find everything you need. However, just a quick note before you come here, you will need the UNLRA Dorm Containere Key, which you can only find by getting rid of bots in this general area here. It is relatively simple to find. Obviously, like normal keys, there's a low spawn rate, but essentially, when you find it, you'll need to navigate your way down here. So we are interested in this house over here, just to my west, with the blue, greeny walls, etc. Coming over to these houses over here, you'll need to get into this one on the right-hand side. So you can either get to it by running around the back or through this building here, where you'll find the back entrance just outside here. So coming into this one, you'll need to open this door up with the UNLRA Dorm Containere Key, and you'll get inside here. Now, essentially inside of this building, there's different medical things and whatever lying around everywhere. You just need to run around a little bit. There's this main room over here, but what you're interested in is this next room. So you'll go through a door, and in here, there's a body in the corner, table over here, fridge, etc. And you'll just need to run around inside, and as soon as you've done that, you'll have this mission done. The only very annoying thing is needing to find the Dorm Containere Key, which is even holding me back from doing this mission. Anyways, hopefully this information helps you. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.